Hey everyone, Adam here with Beelerflex, manufacturer of the perfect bungee, ShockStrap, and Jersey.co products. This is our heavy-duty, commercial-grade, 10,000 pound, double wire hook and axle strap, ratchet strap. This strap features our heavy-duty commercial-grade ratchet, heavy-duty polyester webbing, 2 ShockStrap bungees for constant tension, safety strap, or double wire hook that's spot welded in the back for safety, and a sewn-in axle strap. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit us at Beelerflex.com. Till next time.